On 14th of August around 1 p.m. afternoon, a foundation stone for Market Modernization and Improvement Program MMIP scheme with an estimated cost of Rs 3 crores was laid by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council at Balikpathar under Sarupathar constituency. The foundation stone laying ceremony was led by Kadom Terangpi, MSc, and Dr. Numal Momin, Deputy Commissioner, Government of Assam. MLAs, EMs, MScs, and local dignitaries attended the event. After the foundation stone was laid, they then advanced towards Jakralangso Cultural Ground for the inauguration of newly constructed Inspection Bangalow by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Public Works Department. There, the inauguration was done by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. On this occasion, a public meeting was also arranged at Balikpathar Higher Secondary School Playground by Sarupathar Mondal Committee. The meeting was presided by Lokhiram Rongpi, President of Sarupathar Mondal Committee, and the objectives of the meeting was briefed by Kadom Terangpi, MSc, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Kadom Terangpi, MSc Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, while addressing to the public, told that the new era of development for Sarupathar constituency had initiated, and hopefully in the coming days, more developmental projects and schemes would be constituted under the able leadership of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang along with Team Karbi Anglong. Kadom Terangpi also expressed her gratitude to the people of Sarupathar for electing her as their representatives and giving the opportunity to serve them as a member of Autonomous Council at Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. She also thanked CEM for allocating Smart Market Complex at Balikpathar. Anand Terang's report from Bokajan and Subhas Terang's report from Langcheting, Karbi Anglong Live.